I guess you could just look it up on, I think Canon Keys was the vendor, if you just want to look it up on Canon Keys. Very beautiful. It's so pretty you cried. Oh no. But yes, it's very, very beautiful. I got not the one that looks like the boxes, but the one that looks like a bunch of stars and this big Milky Way looking thing. Ooh. Alright. Alright guys, I'm going to have to take all the switches off. I don't want to flex it too much and then like bend the aluminum plate. Martian, I know. Well, it's going to be a super short stream, so this way we can lengthen a little bit and continue to chat, you know? Man, these switches really do not want to move. We're going to get a typing test. Ooh, alright. You know how sometimes you can like peel off a PCB from a plate? You just do it enough and you peel them apart. I just tried doing that, but it's a little bit too tight. You're not just doing a typing test on your board? Yeah. That's what I do to pass time. I spend so much time on Monkey Type. I don't have that much to show for it. You know, it says I only improve 1 word per minute for every hour I spent typing. But, you know, 1.05 technically. But it's nice to see like slow, steady progress. So that's why I do it. Martian, do you have a personal best typing speed for like 15 seconds or a minute? Oh gosh. Man, these switches don't play well with this plate. Like, I mean, it fit in really nicely, but they are not moving. 80? Nice. Everyone's on their personal journey with regards to how fast they type, you know? Switch down. It went somewhere. Oh gosh, okay. Maybe I can get the stab out now. I'm just gonna wing it. You suck at typing, but you enjoy using your boards and get to use them for work, so it's super fun for me. Exactly. I mean, basically, you should be able to enjoy the board. As long as you enjoy it, then don't risk the plate. No. Check this out. That's already out, and that's already out. You just need it to flex a little bit. There's no foam there either. Alright. So let me fix this real scuffed stab. I cannot believe I did not even put it into the freaking stab housing. There you go. That was all that was needed to be done. Martian saying, a lot of people in the community hate on ACO, and they make my favorite board in your collection to use. You know, I've had great experiences with ACO products. I like the stuff they make. Excellent value, you know. I don't think there's very many manufacturers that can make the stuff that they make for the same price. Like, it's very competitive. A lot of, yeah. So, I'm trying to think of, I've had a lot of ACO ASA keycaps, like in my time. Those are some of my first keycaps. I have two sets of switches from them. That would be the Radiant Reds and the Matcha Greens. Great value switches, love those. And I'm trying to think if I have any boards, but like, right, I mean, I've seen all their stuff, different layouts, and they look great. So I have no concerns or complaints about ACO. Frequently make recommendations if you're looking for budget boards, especially like 1800 or Effortless 1800 layouts and stuff. There's some of the only people that have that. Good aluminum boards, for sure. You want to try ACO sets? What are my thoughts on them? So basically, they only have this ASA, which is like the ACO SA layout, so it's taller. So if you're okay with taller keycaps, I say go for it. It's not as the Quality, which is like how like indented they are. It's not as bad as the what is it? The one that Drop has. Oh gosh, it's the one that they always have sales. MT3. Yeah, it's not as indented as MT3. It's more subtly curved, so just slightly taller than Cherry. So that's for you. And then like very classic sort of colorways. They also have big legends that are in the middle of the keycap. So I don't know if you love that. Some people do, but I've definitely enjoyed the packaging that their keycaps come in. Very impressive from ACO. Have I tried their Cherry sets? I have not yet, and that's a good point. They now have keycap sets in Cherry Profile, so yeah. But their switches, great, good value. They work. Nice lineup for a variety of spring weights and typing feel, fun colors. Very much like make recommendations for ACO and like beginners entering the hobby. So, all right. You know, I consider it an absolute victory that we have not had any crashes on regular OBS so far. You know, at this point, on all my other streams, I probably would have crashed and relaunched Streamlabs like 10 times by now. So many good entry boards out there now. Absolutely. You're entirely right, Martian. There are. Be right back. No worries. Okay, so I have hopefully fixed my scuff with that stab. Let's put that backspace on here. Alright. You can just go by rows. This looks like an enter to me. Okay. These look like shifts, huh? Row 1, 2.25, or 2. Kill the bug, had to wash your hands before touching a key. Absolutely. You're in the south, right? So there's still insects. I was very surprised. I did come across an insect when I was exercising yesterday, and it broke 40 for the first time in a long time. And I was like, insect already? So, year-round mosquitoes? No, thank you. One season is enough. Backspace, enter, and right shift are good. Left shift is a touch sluggish. Don't love that, but we shall do with that. Work from home just and go outside. I know, but then what's even the point? Alright, we've got this. I think this is our 7U. Kind of do like this design a touch better than this one, but we only have 7U, so I guess I should look at the other tray, huh? These are the alphas. Frog Mini is indeed forced 7U layout because there is WinKey, WinKeyless, and HHKB layouts, so they have to be 7U, which as Sangan is my favorite layout, so totally works. I'm very happy with that. So yeah, I almost exclusively use 7U now. Even on 65% and 75%, I love 7U. Unless, of course, it's split from like you know, Ergo or otherwise. Oh gosh. Oh no, the alphas are a little bit mixed up. We shall see how it goes. It's Mono Legend alphas, so we may not know what goes where unless we look at the Geekhack page. Juan is on the 6.25 right now. Absolute heresy. I'm thinking 7U all the way. Okay, so with this, we're definitely going to do... Oh, sorry, here we are. So there are 6.25 and 7U spacebars, but they're blanks. So we're going to go ahead and use the artisan one, or the novelty one. Locked in 6.25. Juan, which board is that that's locking into 6.25? Because that's just awful. The Nizare, oh yeah, because of that bottom blocker, right? Alright guys, I think the spacebar is a winner. I don't even have the top case on, just listen to this. Alright. Yeah, that's a winner for sure. Alright. Man, there's so many to choose from. Okay, 1.5 bottom U. I think I'm going to do fern looking leaf thing and then the oak leaf thing. They all look so good. Swap. I love how like it's mirrored. That looks great. And then tab. I'm gonna presume that this one is tab. Row 3, perfect. And then, oof, there's so many options. You know, I'm gonna make this pipe because I want to. Row 3, 1.5. What if I didn't even have a num row? We just did the novelties across the top. I mean, I'm all about maximizing the number of flowers we have in this, so that's what I say. This is R3. Dude, I won't? I think I will. I need to look at the Geekhack page. One is going to use stock MX Reds in the Kaze. I don't know what you're smoking, man. They sound pretty nice. Sorry, I shouldn't be mean. I should not yuck your yum. I'm sorry about that. Okay. Alright, let's go to Geekhack. And we're going to look up the MW Voynich. spring soft. Yeah, stock cherry springs are just absolutely atrocious. Alright guys, so we are about to try and identify which alphas are which, because I got the Mono Legend Voynich alpha, and I can't figure out what they are. Okay. Some of them have homing keys, which is, you know, good sign. Alright, so, oh gosh. Basically broken in, I say go for it. From your first mechanic keyboard you got 5 to 6 years ago. Yeah, and one, if you want to break them in even more, I have 2 breaking machines in the basement. Alright. Okay, so it looks like Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P, confirmed on the HECAC page. And then these 2 are bracket, pipe. A, S, D, F,